Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you something that will genuinely make your life easier as a content creator. A lot of people rely on Canva for thumbnails, but let's be honest, most of the good stuff on Canva isn't free. So instead, I'm going to show you how you can create a clean professional YouTube thumbnail in just few minutes using completely free tools like Microsoft Designer, ChatGPT, and even Gemini for a model images. It's fast, it's simple, and it actually looks good. Let's start. Okay, so here's what I'm going to show you in this video. We are going to create a full YouTube thumbnail from scratch using only free tools. No Canva Pro, no paid templates, just three simple things: ChatGPT for the prompt, Gemini for the model image, and Microsoft Designer to put everything together. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can literally follow along and make your own thumbnail at the same time. And honestly, once you try this workflow, you won't feel the need to open Canva again. So firstly, let's come to the ChatGPT ChatGPT part. So I'll open my ChatGPT. Okay. So in the ChatGPT, we need to define him what type of prompt, what type of thumbnail we want from Microsoft Designer. So I'll ask him what type of prompt we want for the. So I'll tell him I am making a YouTube thumbnail for a video about creating thumbnails using Microsoft Designer and AI. Okay, generate a short prompt for Microsoft Designer. So I just want to clarify one thing, that the Microsoft prompts, I have a fixed limit. Okay, so style I'll specify, I want it bold, modern, high contrast. I like high contrast. You can define whatever you want. For an target audience, I can say, so target audience, I can specify. Specifying target audience is good. Beginner YouTubers, right? Okay. So here it will define me the prompt. So I'll just simply copy this prompt from here till here, and let's come to the Gemini part. I'll open the Gemini again. Okay, I'll open the Gemini. So Gemini is going to use this Banana Pro to generate me images. So I'll ask him. So I want a photo realistic. You can copy my prompt or you can define as per your requirement. I want a photo realistic portrait of a young male model. Okay, I'll just define the expressions: excited expression, uh, sharp details. I'll define studio lights. I'll define the lights whatever I want, and I just want the frame from head and shoulder frame, like till the shoulder length it will generate the image. Neutral background, neutral, even though I'll just uh, remove the background, but let's generate some background. Neutral background, easy to remove. High resolution, obviously. High resolution ratio, I can define 3:4. It's not mandatory. Aspect ratio, so let's see what it generates me. Okay, it will take few seconds and generate the image. So for now, let's till then, let's come to the Microsoft Designer. So let's just close these tabs. So this is the page for the Microsoft Designer. So whenever you open the Microsoft Designer, this page will pop up. If not, firstly you need to log in, obviously. So you can log in from your Microsoft personal account, or you can simply create one account and you'll get some tokens. So to use the AI in the Microsoft Designer, we have some tokens. So each time you generate one AI image, it will use the tokens from there. So we have many, so you can generate easily, create with AI. Okay, so in let's create with AI. So let's click on the social postures first. It will take us to another page. So here we need to give the description, images and sizes. So below you can see there are multiple already created designs. We can use them or we can design accordingly. So I have this prompt here. I have already copied this prompt from ChatGPT. Let's just simply paste that prompt here. Okay, I'll select the size to landscape. For the image, I have got this. I'll save this image to my downloads. I've downloaded and I'll come here and I'll upload the image of the model I have generated using the Gemini. Let's just wait for a few seconds. It will take time to load. Yeah, it has loaded. Then we can select this simply and let's just click on create. It will use so you can see below generating uses one AI cred. So I have 8 creds left. We can get more creds, but for now let's just simply click on the create. As you can see, we got 4 designs here. So I'll tell you one of the best parts. Like if it's AI generated, it's not an image, it is a design. We can click on any of these designs. We can download these designs, or like I like this design, I can click on this design. I have one download option. I have this edit option, so I can simply go there and edit as per my requirement. This is one of the best part I like. So I don't like the image like this. I'll drag this person here and I'll just increase the size of the image. So this is the tagline I got: create stunning thumbnails fast. I like this. So it will define this. So as you can see, so I can add some more text here. I can upload media. I can get visuals, whatever I want. So let's search for, like, I just want some AI image, AI visual here. I'll search for AI. It will give me. So it's basically, I have used Canva Pro. It has many features that Canva Pro is offering us. It's kind of a free version for. Let's just take this image. So as you can see, we have this transparency options, replace, adjust, crop, auto enhance, many options. No, I don't like this one. So let's see. I like this graphics. I can increase the size of this graphics. I can paste it here, or I can drag it and paste it somewhere here. So I'll have this thumbnail ready for me. I just need to change few things. If you don't want, you can just simply download and use it directly. All right, that's it. You now know how to create a professional YouTube thumbnail in just few minutes using free tools instead of expensive Canva templates. If this helps out, hit like, and if you want more quick tutorials like this, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.